Hey guys, Ryan here, AO Cleaning. Happy November 1st, believe it or not. Hope everybody had a good Halloween last night with the kiddos and handed out plenty of candy. But we are in Waterloo, Illinois today doing a repeat client that we've been servicing for a number of years called Jude's Dog Grooming. If you guys are local and want a good groomer, I do recommend Jude. She's been in business for 33 years, so I do recommend her. We just got finished up with some VLM cleaning, which stands for void load moisture. And we can get this commercial carpet clean in about an hour. So that's what we did today. It looks divine. She always loves the way it looks and smells, and take care of any odors and stains that the pets left behind. And guys, look at this carpet. This is almost dry. I've been here about 45 minutes. It's almost dry. So this is another option that we can provide if you're a local business and you need to get back to business. This is just an option. So that's what we got going on today, guys. Hope you guys had a great day. And we got 2 more estimates later today, one in Columbia and then one in Redbud. And then we're getting ready for tomorrow's job because we have a duck job. But that's what's going on today, guys. And also tomorrow. We got a busy week, but hope you guys are staying warm out there, and give me a call if you want to book any services to get ready for the holidays. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.